Are you also forgetting your Gmail password and wanting to change it? Does it feel like a huge hassle? Well, today I am going to show you step by step how you can change your Gmail password from your mobile in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. In the top right side corner, you will see your profile picture. Click on it. Now, if you have more than one email ID running on your phone, then first select the email ID whose password you want to change from here. After that, click on Manage Your Google account below. Now, scroll the menu that appears, and below you will see Google Password written. Click on it. After clicking, it will ask to verify password. So verify it by entering the password you have set for your mobile or by using your fingerprint. Now, you will be given the option to enter a new password. Enter a strong new password in the new password box and enter the confirm password below. Enter the same password in both the top and bottom boxes and click on change password below. So as you can see, password changed successfully is now written on the screen. Isn't it absolutely easy? If this video helped you even a little bit, then definitely give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful